In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import subscribers for Kit. If you're moving from another email platform or just want to quickly add a large list of contacts, importing via CSV is the fastest and most reliable way to get everything into Kit in one go. In this walkthrough, we'll go from preparing your file all the way through to finishing the import so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. First, let's prepare your file. In your previous email platform, look for an option to export your contacts and choose CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. This is a very common spreadsheet format that Kit can easily understand. When you export, make sure that your file includes a dedicated column for email addresses. Without that, Kit won't know where to send your messages. It's also a good idea to include other useful columns, like first name and last name, so you can personalize emails later. Once your CSV is ready and saved on your computer, open Kit and go to the top navigation bar. Click on Grow, then choose Subscribers. This is where you'll manage your audience. On this page, look for the Add Subscribers button and click it. This opens the importer so you can bring in your list. Next, we'll upload the file. Choose the option that says Import a CSV. You'll see an area where you can either drag and drop your file directly from your computer or click to browse and select it. Give it a moment to upload, especially if your list is quite large. After the upload, Kit will prompt you to map your fields. This step tells Kit which column in your CSV should match which field in your subscriber database. For example, match your email address column to the email field, first name to the first name field, and so on. Take your time here and double-check because accurate mapping ensures clean data and better personalization in your campaigns. Now you can organize your new subscribers right away. You'll have the option to add them to a specific tag, form, or sequence. Tags help you segment your audience, forms help you track where they came from, and sequences let you automatically start sending them an email series as soon as they're imported. When everything looks correct, click Start Import. Kit will process your file in the background. Once it's done, you'll receive an email letting you know the import is complete and your subscribers will be ready to use in your campaigns.